Welcome, friends. Within our story of the slain little lamb in the middle of the throne, a different meaning to the word holy is unveiled. You see, circling the throne upon which the slain lamb stands, there are four angelic creatures. Their attentions are focused completely on the occupant of the throne, the Lamb. As they encircle the throne with their collective gaze fixed on the Lamb, they extol his virtues and repeat one word over and over again. That word is holy. The slain lamb is holy. Holy, holy, holy. Let's talk about what the word holy used to mean. You see, Moses was once told, "Do not come any closer. Take off your sandals, for the place where you are standing is holy ground." Exodus 3:5. To Moses, holy meant other than, different, distant from humanity. Tomorrow, we'll learn the new definition of the word holy. Godspeed, my friends.